Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are coming from, late evening. I am starting today a new series and I'm very, very excited about. It is holiday recipes and DIY. So the rest of November and most of December, I will be going live sharing some of my favorites. And I might even hop on at some bonus times to share extra recipes because this makes me excited. I absolutely love doing DIY stuff with my oils. One thing that I have found over the last many years, I've been using oils for 5 years, is that I have replaced all of my cleaning, everything in my house. I don't buy expensive cleaners. I don't buy, anything that's greenwashed, because I've just learned that I can save a ton of money and my oils do the job. So these are some fun recipes that are coming. They're going to be holiday based. They're great gift giving ideas. I just want to kind of share with you some of my favorites and what I like to do each, winter. And I don't know about you, but this time of the year, I also love giving neighbors gifts, giving mom friends gifts, just sharing the love to, friends near and far. And so tonight I'm going to share with you my recipe for relaxing bath salts. This is one of the most simplistic ones. Most people have Epsom salts in their home. And so this is literally just adding some Epsom salts with some oils, and you have a wonderful, wonderful little holiday gift. So I'm going to give you a few ideas as I make this. Now, tonight I'm actually going to use the 2 oils that were part of today's BOGOs because what does everyone need this holiday season? Some relaxation. Many times we are able to travel, visit family, have a change of scenery, things like that. And this year, that is not always the reality. That's not always going to be the reality for everyone. And so because of that, I thought, what better way to just treat ourselves, to pamper ourselves and start off this series with some relaxing bath salts. So that can be our little vacation in our home, as some self-care, and spend some time alone in a bath. If you're not a big bath person, these make amazing foot soaks. So you're going to reap the benefits as well, and just do a bucket of warm water and rest your feet in there for 30 minutes to an hour, as long as you want to, essentially. And you're going to reap the benefits of the aromatherapy, but also the Epsom salt detoxifying benefits. So I'm using Adaptiv and Ylang Ylang, and I'm going to add those oils to 2 cups. So I'm actually doubling the recipe that I normally share. My normal recipe is 1 cup to 10 drops of oil to a teaspoon of baking soda. So I just use Epsom salts. These are from Sprouts. You can find Epsom salts anywhere. You just don't want to have anything with scent. All of that is synthetic. Don't do it. There's other ways you can add your aroma. If you want to add other, herbs or botanicals in there, you definitely can. I know several people that like to add, and I've done it before, like real lavender flowers in your Epsom salts. It just is a nice little touch and makes it real pretty. But that's great if you're using lavender in part of your blend that you're using. Then I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of soda, again, because I am doubling this recipe that I normally don't. And I'm in the holiday spirit. I already have some Rudolph shirt on. I've been listening to Christmas music. I don't know about you guys, but that has been my jam lately already. So I'm just gonna mix here in my bowl those Epsom salts and soda. The soda just helps absorb the essential oil, and it works really well with the Epsom salts. A lot of times people leave out the soda, but I find it's very important. So you wanna put some soda in your Epsom salts. Okay, and then I'm going to use, since I'm doubling it, I'm actually going to do 15 drops of Adaptiv to 5 drops Ylang Ylang. To me personally, which everyone's different, I like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15. I'll lose count if I if I talk. I like a heavier Adaptiv aroma and not as strong with the Ylang Ylang. It's nice and subtle in the back, but it's not my favorite one, as the forefront aroma. So do what you like. If you love the aroma of Ylang Ylang more than Adaptiv, you could do 15 of Adaptiv and 5 of the Ylang Ylang. So then that's all you do. You literally mix this up very nice so that the soda, the Epsom salts are really soaking in all of those oils. Now, why did I pick Ylang Ylang and Adaptiv? They are amazing for relaxation. They're amazing for high stress situations, tension. If you have tension in your shoulders and your neck and your back, your feet, they are really good for that. If you suffer from anxious feelings or uncertainty, worry, any of those things, these bring positivity, calmness, grounded, and really just helps you relax and let go. So it's these two blends just really, well, one's a blend, one's a single oil, but they're really, really good for just calming the mind, relaxing, and enjoying and being present. So that is why I picked those, because we all need that in our life right now. Now, one of my favorite ways to give these things is in a bulb. You can buy these glass or plastic, kind of based on who you're giving them to, what you're going to do with them, if you're going to mail them or if you're going to, deliver them. And I love using these because they're just fun. You can get really cute ribbon. I didn't grab any for the purpose of the video, but I love putting ribbon around the top. It turns out to be a really nice gift. So one thing I always recommend, get yourself some funnels. Plastic funnels are perfect because your oils are not sitting in it, so it's not gonna, harm. Now, if you are using citrus, you do wanna use a glass bulb, not a plastic one, because citrus, if it sits there a long time, it'll just eat away at that bulb. So you don't wanna have plastic in your water, etc. And then literally you're just gonna shovel in your Epsom salts until you have a full bulb. And I will share a picture of my finished product in my public education group, Zen with Oils Public Education. So you can see what this looks like when it's completely full. I'm going to tie a beautiful ribbon around it. And that is a super easy gift giving guide. You could literally mix your entire Epsom salt bag, buy, a 6-pack of these bulbs, and deliver to your neighbors as a wonderful holiday gift of thinking of them. So I hope you enjoyed this first DIY. We will be back. I'll be back over the next few weeks with many more recipes and DIY tips for you all. So thanks for being here and happy oiling.